Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the domain availability plus value checker by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to check domain availability, estimate market value, and discover available alternatives. This is especially useful if you're launching a new brand, researching domain investments, or validating name ideas quickly. This actor checks whether domain names are available or already registered using DNS-based checks. It also estimates the market value of each domain and suggests similar available alternatives. All of this works without API keys and can process many domains in a single run. To get started, you provide one or more domains. Entering multiple domains at once is perfect for brainstorming sessions or bulk domain research. If you enable similar domain checking, the actor will automatically generate alternative domain ideas. These include variations with prefixes, suffixes, and different naming patterns that are still available. You can control how many suggestions are generated per domain using the max similar setting. In this example, I'm checking our own domain and enabling similar domain suggestions with up to 5 alternatives. Once everything is set, you can start the actor and let it run. Now, we'll let it cook up the magic. When the run finishes, each domain appears as a structured record in this dataset table. You'll see whether the domain is available or registered, its estimated value, and similar domains. You'll also see the time it was checked. You can export this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. This makes it easy to compare domain ideas, share results with a team, or plug the data into other tools. The Domain Availability Plus Value Checker is ideal for brand discovery, domain investing, and competitive research. It saves time, removes guesswork, and helps you make smarter decisions before registering a domain. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this checker, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.